to All About. Today we're going to talk about E37. It's one of my most used browns just because I color a lot of botanicals. So when I need to color a branch, that's what I go for. I'm Elena with VioletaInk.com, and we carry Copic Markers in the sketch series, ink refills, nib replacements, and also open stock Prismacolor pencils. Thank you. We are going to start with E37, and we're going to flick away from the edge. On top of it is E35, and at the end we're going to blend it with E33. We are going to underpaint this E37 with B34, and then on top of it E35 and E33. This is again B34 to underpaint, E37, YR24 and YR23. I wanted to give it a copperish kind of color. This is the staining test. E37 is a very strong ink, so I believe it will move it. I just don't think it's going to erase it. This is PC1082. It's a chocolate color. Well, the name is chocolate. It's like a cool brown. This is on the Prismacolor pencil line, and remember that we sell them open stock in case it didn't come in one of your big sets. So now we're going to color each one of the wings of this butterfly. The first one that I'm already doing is with E37, E35, and E33. It is not underpainted. And now we're going to underpaint with B34. The same combination, E37, E35, and E33. Don't forget to follow our undercover series in Vanilla Arts, and I will put a link in the description box. You will find a lot of combinations that are underpainted. And this is the bonus combination. This is not underpainted. The one I did on top, that one is underpainted. This one is just E37, YR24, and YR23. The wing in the bottom, that one is going to be underpainted. It has B34, E37, YR24, and YR23. Now this is the natural family combination. E37, E35, and E33. We are underpainting with B34. And the bonus combination is underpainted, this is the underpainted part, with E37, YR24, and YR23. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a comment with what else would you like to see in this series or a complement to this series. See you next week. Bye.